When it comes to selling a home, marketing is the name of the game. It cannot be overstated how critical it is to generate as much interest as possible on the listing to present them to potential buyers. Marketing strategies that worked 3 years ago may not be the winning formula today, let alone COVID has disrupted the entire real estate industry. Smart agents have adapted to the latest marketing trends. What does 2021 have in store for home sellers? Let's take a look. Dannylau here from Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. Good listing agents tend to spend about 10 to 30% of their commission towards generating interest for a seller's property on the market. But a high dollar amount does not necessarily mean results. Here's something that sellers need to understand. At any given time, there's a pool of buyers on the market who are capable and ready, looking for a home that checks all their criteria, such as yours. If you own a popular property such as a 3-bed, 2-bath home with a yard in a suburban town, that pool of capable buyers may be 30 people. If you own a unique home such as a horse ranch with a racetrack and a shooting range on 20 acres, your pool of buyers may be only 3 people. The job of the real estate listing agent is to find that pool of buyers and capture their interest. Let's peel back the layers of real estate marketing. A poor agent will print flyers and stick a yard sign on the front lawn. That may have worked 20 years ago, but in the internet era, that's no longer the case. It's a no-brainer to say buyers are now shopping for homes online. So an average agent will advertise your listing on Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, all the biggest real estate sites that dominate the market because they're so good at search engine optimization and reaching listings to the buyers. A good agent takes advantage of 2020 and 2021, the years of staying at home. Buyers want to visit the listings, but they can't or prefer not to visit in person due to restrictions. An immersive virtual tour is quintessential for buyers to experience a listing in 2021. Good agents understand that buyers are held captive in front of a computer, but they desire to conceptualize listings beyond just photos. I mean, it makes sense. How are photos alone being able to illustrate the layout of the home or let buyers experience the neighborhood? Matterports, 3D real estate tours, and drone videos are the cutting-edge technologies that reach buyers like never before. According to Zillow, about 1/3 of buyers say that virtual tours are extremely important in making a difference in their decision-making. However, here's what separates the good and the great agents. Intimately understanding the demand of the listing. This part requires data analysis and takes seasoning in the industry. A great agent must understand the demographic trends of the market the home is selling in. Who are in the market? What are their demands? Where are they from? Are you selling a suburban home where city folks are relocating to a bigger space? Are you selling a vintage home that makes a collector drool? Or are you selling a luxury property that needs to reach buyers on the other coast? Let's say an average agent reaches 15 buyers, a good agent reaches 25 buyers, a great agent reaches 27 buyers. And just by reaching that extra 2 people, it may have made the difference between selling your home at an average price versus selling your home at a great price. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy my video. Please take a moment to like it and hit subscribe. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. We can hop on a call and discuss how we can achieve your real estate goals. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.